Hello guys, this is a proscan tablet that is stock at the Android logo, and we need to reset factory. And for this we need to press down, volume down and power button at the same time. Okay, you have to press it and hold it until reset factory menu appears. Yeah, you have to wait patient, and yeah, you're gonna see. Yeah, here. Okay, with using volume up and down, go to the wipe data factory reset and then press power button to select it. Yes, delete all users data because there is no more options. Confirm it. Yeah, it's going to reset and delete all the data, pictures, videos, anything you have on it. Okay, show you. Okay, it's done. Data wiped completed. Okay, then reboot system now. I press it. Okay, here you are. I cut off the video because it takes time to reset the tablet. I'm out of the power. I have to connect it to the charger, and you see it's totally reset. It's like the brand new tablet. You have to set the languages and why you connect it to the Wi-Fi and other stuff. You have to do those stuff. Please subscribe and like our videos and share our video. Thank you very much.